apparently Belle's done business with this factory before. So we're going to the showroom. We just need 5 to 10 designs that I think kind of appeal to a general population. So higher quality, lower price, stuff that we can get that's reasonable. And, oh, I think she's found them. Okay, we found them. Okay, good. So essentially, yeah, we've got to kind of find 5 to 10 styles. And for as long as they're reasonable, then great, we can start listing them and literally start selling them as part of this subscription model that we want to do. So this is what the Hilton hotel room.
Yeah. Same as the.
And artificial, does it last longer?
You can customize.
But do you have an example?
Do you have example here? No.
We went in there and none of those were really a fit. It's more like hotel furniture. That's not what we want. But hopefully now, if we just go to a general mall, then we'll be able to just walk around, find as many examples of stuff that we think we're going to want. We did technically go to a mall yesterday, but the frame of mind wasn't, we were looking for stuff that's a bit more unique. That mall didn't have it, but we actually kind of now are looking for stuff that's a bit more generic. So the Louvre might be a good spot, but we're going to a furniture, I think it's called the furniture hall or market or something, which is technically a different place. Alright, so where should we start? Hello.
Hello, handsome.
We just got called handsome.
Linen.
Linen?
Cotton. Yes, 几公里。那要多久？
这个要看，因为
They are all imported from Turkey.
Thank you, 谢谢. Well, so I think we actually found a place that we like. It's called, Belle, what was it called again? The place? This one. Do you remember the name of the shop? Yeah, the name. V-Change. So we like a supplier here, which is good progress. But we're walking around trying to we're trying to compare the quality between. Apparently, this is the more expensive end, and now we're going to go to the cheaper end, so we can then compare quality between what is cheaper and what is actually more expensive.
We want to know which ones actually have quick turnarounds with being made. We don't want to be waiting 40 days.
Well, no, but that's the other thing. So it's like you can look at price. You've got MOQ, so how many you actually want to order, which then determine the price. But then the big thing, which I didn't think of and Belle thought of, thankfully, is how long does it take to come? Or how long does it take to make, sorry. It's like that shop there, 40 days, which is not great.
But higher quality there.
But higher quality and still expensive, but at least high quality. So if we can kind of find someone that hits those 3 things, so price, low MOQ, and low production time, I think that's where we're going to find a winner.
It's them.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys, thank you so much. Lovely to meet you. I was much younger. I was maybe... So this feels like the kind of stuff that you would just buy in the truckload, and the quality's not that great. Probably breaks within, 3 weeks of owning it, and you're like, what am I doing? But it's good experience because we've seen the higher quality stuff, then now we're seeing the lower quality stuff, and I think it's pretty clear that the designs that we're looking for. We've seen a few at the other place. They're probably going to be at this place called the Louvre that's right next door. So we're going to go there again today, and then we'll try have a look and see if there's ones that we like there, but at least that stuff's high quality. We've got my decaf coffee. No, it's not a normal coffee. We're going to go find some furniture now.
first time we can cooperate, maybe it's
Unique say the price can be negotiable. 45 days.
45 days?
Usually.
We would not buy from them because it's going to take 4 weeks. But ideally, it's like if we can find some other way where either another one we find has some stock and we can buy at least 10 or 20.
It's very big.
Big.
There is nothing now.
Nothing at the moment. Well, V-Chain was pretty close. I like V-Chain. I'm going to say it again, but the place is next level. Is this the biggest one in all of China?
Yeah.
Like furniture mall?
In Guangdong.
In Guangdong? Classic furniture. So apparently every single floor has a different design of furniture on it. So there's so like we're in the whole floor 4, and it's modern. What are they called?
Western
classic.
Classic furniture.
Western classic's not good. It's like this stuff. It's 3 o'clock now. It's getting to the end of the day. I'm slightly deflated. I thought this would be honestly easier, but there's 200 supplies that we've just literally walked through, and not a single one of them has really what we're looking for. And we've got 24 hours really left in this place to try and find what we need. So we've got an hour left today, we have a day tomorrow, and we have to find this stuff, otherwise this trip is a waste. So we're going to we're going to a factory that
BMS.
called BMS that apparently has more of the styles that we're looking for, and then we're going to another furniture mall after that, which will give us more styles to look at. So this is like a last-ditch effort of the day to try and at least find something. But we have, to be fair, we found V Changs,
yeah.
which we do like. It's a supplier we like, and they have some designs, which it takes 40 and then weeks to get it here. And yeah, so we got to figure out how to solve for that. But we just need designs first, and we can't find anywhere that has what we want. So that is what we have to figure out. And yeah, hence why we're going around still. Where are we going now? What was it?
BMS.
BMS.
Yeah.
So we're going to BMS. Okay. Right. Could you give me an indication though of what it would be? Sorry, hang on. So sorry, it can be 10 to 15 days.
Yeah, it can be 10 to 15 days
Days.
if everything available.
So I think we found the one. Hamish found this place online. But yeah, no, I think this is probably a much better fit, which is pretty exciting. So the styles here, the prices are very cheap. And well done, Hamish.
Armrest to
I like it. Get a good feeling about this. We're going to their factory.
The BMS factory.
So we're going to go see some furniture put together.
This is for China domestic.
Interesting. Hi, nice to meet you.
This is the upholstery workshop. Maybe memory from maybe feather.
Or is this the most premium way to do it? What's your verdict on this one?
Loving it. It's really hot, but the quality is definitely there. They're working hard in here.
Yeah, man, they're like nearly 6 o'clock and they're still going hard.
I know. And no one's sleeping yet.
No one's sleeping yet. But man, it's so cool to see like how all this stuff is produced. They got like fabrics over here. They got the cushions up there.
Look at this guy over here. He's doing the springs on the underside.
Where?
He's now
Oh yeah, you can actually see there.
This is the most professional factory we've come across so far.
For fabric cutting. 对，像我们用的中铅板的夹板这些都是 cup。
Excellent. Awesome, mate. Well, thank you very much. Lovely to meet you. It's one of those things that a mantra that, well, it's not really a mantra, but it's like the philosophy is, it's like if you're willing to do the things that no one else is willing to do, you'll probably get the results that no one else will get and the results that everyone else wants. And that's proved true through most of my life. And I think today was probably a good example of that. There's been multiple examples through everything that I've done where it's so easy to give up. And there's probably a lot of people watching this where you have things in your own life and you're like, it's too hard, give up, and giving up always seems like the easy way out. So coming to China and just trying to make a thing of this business was really kind of the inspiration, well, it wasn't really, it was just kind of the thing we had to do. And there's been plenty of moments over the last 2 days now where it's just like, is this any point of actually being here? But through all of that low point, it's almost like immediately after comes that opportunity to then do something.
That's right. You
So-
just can't give in, you know?
And now at a Chinese roadblock. Fantastic.